CIC, where leaders are born.
Assalamualaikum young leaders. My name is Teacher Fifi. Today I will teach you English for 4 years old. It will be based on Showtime Reader 2. We will learn to recognize letter W by their shape and name. Before we start our lesson, we will do a revision on the phonic sounds together. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, N, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, T, T, U, R, V, W, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Alright, today we will be focusing on letter W. What is the sound of letter W? The sound of letter W is W. Can you repeat after me? Yes, correct. Okay, let's start our next lesson. The sound of W is W. W. W for wall. W for wall. W for window. W for window. Hi everyone, let's sing together. Billy wipes the window. Billy wipes the window. Billy wipes the window. Hi ho, dear oh, Billy wipes the window. Billy wipes the window. Billy wipes the window. Hi ho, dear oh, Billy wipes the window. Wow, our young leaders are awesome. That's all for today. Before we end this video, I hope that you will be able to learn a lot. Don't forget to do your homework.